everyone, this is Happy from odishatv.in, bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. UPSC results declared. Odisha's Suman Saurav Mahanti ranks 9th. A tribal youth of Kashipur cracks the exam. Metric supplementary exam begins. Evaluation from June 19th. No case registered. Police wash off hands of Bajan attack case. Lower Sukhtel displaced people stalled project work. Demand immediate rehabilitation and revision of compensation package. And Babushan turns item girl for upcoming movie Sister Sridevi. Now, the details. Suman Saurav Mahanti of Odisha has secured 9th rank in the 2016 Civil Service examinations, the results of which were declared by Union Public Service Commission on Wednesday. Nandini KR of Karnataka has topped the exam. Suman had earlier secured 413 rank in the 2015 Civil Services examination. Other ODIs who have qualified in the exam include Avishyat Panda in rank 91, Shubhankar Mahapatra, rank 255 and Suchismita Kunango in 261 rank. Besides, Sunanda Jhoria, a tribal youth of Kashipur block in Raigada district, qualified the examination. Sunanda has secured 1064 rank in the All India UPSC Civil Services examination this year. As many as 1099 candidates have been recommended for various government services and 220 other candidates are in the waiting list. Ritesh Meher has topped in the Odisha Joint Entrance Examination in Homeopathy and Pharmacy, the results which were announced on Wednesday. Pragyashri Sahu has topped in MBA while Anand Prasad Behra is the topper in MCA and Amrit Kumar Jethi secured the top rank in MTech discipline. As many as 52,565 students had enrolled in the Odisha Joint Entrance Examination mains that was conducted across the state here on May 14th. The OJE was held at 88 centers in 21 cities spread across the state. According to reports, nearly 85% of the students had appeared for the entrance test, while 15% students remained absent. As many as 11,547 students appeared in the matric supplementary examination that began across the state today. Conducted by Board of Secondary Education, the exams will continue till June 7th. Today, the students appeared the first language Odia paper across 47 centers. The exam is being conducted from 8 am to 10:30 am in the view of heat wave. Meanwhile, the BSc announced that the evaluation of the answer sheets will commence from June 19th at 5 centers across the state. Examination controller Nihar Ranjan Mahanti said elaborate arrangements have been made to ensure error-free and hassle-free evaluation exercise. A day after stones and eggs were hurled at BJP MP Bajan Panda at Mahanga, the Cuttack Rural Police on Wednesday washed its hands off the matter, saying no case has been registered in the matter as there was no complaint on the issue. Cuttack Rural SP Madhav Chandra Sahu said, since no complaint has been received till now, the police have not registered any case in this connection. The police would examine some video footage and meet eyewitnesses of the local area if any complaint is received, he added. After such statement of police surfaced in media, the MP responded to it through a tweet saying that there is nothing less than a joke when police want FIR on an incident which took place in their presence. Tension prevailed at the Lower Sukhtel project site in Bolangir district today after the displaced people, mostly women, staged a dharna halting the ongoing construction work of the dam, demanding immediate rehabilitation and a revision of the compensation package. They went in a rally to the site and demanded shutdown of construction activities of Lower Sukhtel project till they were paid full compensation. They staged a protest once again after district administration, which had promised earlier to fulfill their demands by May 31st, did not do the needful. Though some amount of the compensation was given in 2014, the protesters are demanding rehabilitation as per the 2013 policy approved by the state cabinet. A sudden whirlwind on NH5 has caused massive destruction in Chagaria in Kendrapada here on Wednesday. According to reports, one person has been injured while several trees have been uprooted and asbestos sheets of houses damaged. The injured has been admitted to the hospital. Local residents claimed that the whirlwind hit the region at around 1:50 p.m. in the afternoon. There was panic among the villagers as the velocity of the winds was very high. The Odisha government on Wednesday effected a major reshuffle in OAS officers level, appointing senior officer Rudra Prasanna Sahu as Joint Secretary of Board of Revenue and Saroj Patel as Joint Secretary of Panchayati Raj Department. Similarly, Manoj Padi was posted as the Deputy Secretary of Sports and Youth Affairs Department. Yudhishthir Nayak became Additional District Magistrate of Rayagada, while Gangadhar Nayak was named as ADM of Mayurbhanj. Suman Behra will work as ADM of Nabrangpur district, while Bhaskar Chandra Turuka and Lakshmidhar Das will do the same job in Sundargarh and Malkangiri districts respectively. Power supply to Bhadrak and nearby areas was adversely affected after fire broke out during trial of a new grid at Barikpur here on Wednesday. According to reports, the mishap is suspected to have been caused due to a technical snag during trial operation of the newly built power grid. The entire Bhadrak town and other nearby areas have plunged into darkness as power supply has been stopped in the region as a precautionary measure. Bhadrak collector and other senior officials have rushed to the spot, while 2 fire tenders have been enraged to douse the flames. Official sources said the old power grid has not been affected in the fire mishap. Hollywood actor Babushan has been seen in various looks in the past but has taken the Hollywood industry by storm with his female avatar for his upcoming film Sister Sridevi by Tarang Cine Productions. The chocolate boy has got into a women's attire for the romantic comedy, where he is even seen doing an item song Chunni Tale Black Money, choreographed by Master Raju. The peppy song has already got popular on social media and is driving music lovers crazy. The movie is scheduled to be released during Raja in June. Comedian Salil will also be seen alongside him in the item song. Babushan said this film has given him an opportunity to try a different and more challenging character. He expects that Sister Sridevi will be double fun compared to his previous films.
बहुत ही सुंदर कोरियोग्राफर, बहुत ही सुंदर डायरेक्टर भी मोर गोटे फिल्म करछन मो संगे रे बहुत एक्साइटेड अछि. कष्टिया स्टेप दउचंदी किंतु सब हम दर्शक पई कष्ट करिवा रजरे नुआ रूप रे.
बाबू इज मल्टी टैलेंटेड, इज एक्सीलेंट. फिर भी एक गर्ल का गेटअप है. वी वांटेड हिम टू लुक लाइक हीरोइन, नॉट एन आइटम गर्ल.
Before wrapping up, the news headlines once again. UPSC results declared. Odisha's Suman Saurav Mahanti ranks 9th. A tribal youth of Kashipur cracks the exam. Metric supplementary exam begins. Evaluation from June 19th. No case registered. Police wash of hands of Bajan attack case. Lower Suktel displaced people stalled project work. Demand immediate rehabilitation and revision of compensation package. And Babushan turns item girl for upcoming movie Sister Sridevi. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.